Hi guys! Today we fix iPhone black screen issue. First, check if your iPhone is completely stuck or just showing a black screen. Press the volume up button once, then quickly press the volume down button once. This helps your phone respond if it is frozen or lagging. Sometimes the screen is black, but the phone is still running in the background. Now press and hold the power button on the side of your iPhone. Keep holding it for a few seconds until the Apple logo appears. If the logo shows up, it means your phone is restarting successfully. This method often fixes the black screen issue instantly. If the Apple logo appears, just wait patiently. Your iPhone will restart automatically and go back to normal. This means the system glitch has been fixed, so don't panic, just let it complete the restart process. If the screen is still black, try charging your iPhone. Plug it into a charger and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Sometimes the battery is completely drained, which causes the black screen. Try using a different charger or cable if needed. After charging for a while, press and hold the power button again. Check if the Apple logo appears this time. If yes, your iPhone will boot normally. This step often solves deep battery-related issues. If nothing works, try force restarting again using volume up, volume down, and power button sequence. Hold the power button longer until the screen responds. This helps reset system glitches that cause black screen problems. It's a simple but very effective method. So guys, this is how you can fix the iPhone black screen issue step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. And comment below what problem you want me to solve next. Help you out.